Do you ever wonder if your current diet can be improved? Get ready to learn about food hacks which might just change your life. We're diving into a world where food not only satisfies our taste buds, but also fuels our bodies in the most optimal way. We're going to explore the top 5 food hacks that can transform your health and energy levels. Our countdown begins with food hack number 5, incorporating more leafy greens into your diet. These vibrant vegetables are nature's multivitamins, packed with an astounding array of minerals and vitamins. From spinach to kale, chard to romaine, leafy greens are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in fiber, aiding in digestion, and filled with antioxidants that promote heart health. But it's not just about eating them, it's about enjoying them. Mix them into your smoothies, toss them in your salads, or even bake them into your pizzas. So, next time you're at the supermarket, why not add some spinach, kale, or chard to your shopping cart? Moving on to our 4th food hack, we have the brilliant berries. Berries in all their vibrant variety are not just a delight to the palate, but also a friend to your health. These tiny powerhouses are chock full of antioxidants, those hard-working molecules that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Imagine this. Every time you munch on a strawberry, blackberry, or a handful of blueberries, you're effectively building up your body's defense system. But that's not all. Berries, particularly blueberries, are also known to boost heart health. They contain flavonoids, which help to reduce blood pressure and make blood vessels more elastic. Now here's a tip for you. Try incorporating a mix of different berries into your daily diet. This way, you'll get a wider range of nutrients and antioxidants. And the best part? They're delicious, so it's a treat, not a chore. Remember, a handful of berries a day keeps the doctor away. Ready for our 3rd food hack? It's time to go nuts! These bite-sized nutritional treats are packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Let's start with almonds. They're high in monounsaturated fats, the type of fat linked to a reduction in heart disease. Walnuts, on the other hand, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that the body can't produce itself. Nuts not only provide us with a wide range of essential nutrients, but they also help in controlling hunger. Thanks to their protein and fiber content, nuts can help you feel full and satisfied, making them an excellent choice for a healthy snack. But remember, while nuts are incredibly nutritious, they're also high in calories, so portion control is key. Our 2nd food hack is all about whole grains. Whole grains, unlike their refined counterparts, retain all parts of the grain. Each of these parts is packed with valuable nutrients, significantly contributing to your daily dietary needs. The star of the whole grain show is undoubtedly its high fiber content. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest, does some pretty amazing things. It acts like a sponge in our digestive system, absorbing water and making us feel full, which can be a real game changer for those who are watching their weight or trying to eat less. But that's not all. Fiber also helps to regulate our blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded energy crashes. And it can lower cholesterol too, supporting overall heart health. It's quite the multitasker. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not swap out those refined grains for some wholesome, hearty whole grains? And now for our number 1 food hack, the fantastic fatty fish. Don't let the term fatty fool you, because this is the kind of fat your body loves. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and albacore tuna are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are champions for your heart health, helping to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Now imagine your heart, happily pumping away, fueled by the omega-3s you've gifted it. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to reel in some of these aquatic superstars. There you have it, 5 food hacks that can help you lead a healthier and more energized life. Remember, the key to a healthy heart is a healthy diet. So why not try incorporating these food hacks into your daily routine? You might just find that a small change can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more fun food hacks.